Peace to the fam. Hey, you want to know how to actually make money in this cryptocurrency without having to actually invest? Well, I'm about to cash out from Steemit, which is a vlog posting. Vlog. I keep saying vlog. Well, I'm about to cash out from Steemit, which is a blog posting social media site where you actually get paid in cryptocurrency, aka Steam dollars, aka cash out for free into some Bitcoin. And that's what I'm about to do right now. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay, boom. All right, so this is my Steemit account. You see my Crypto Kingz logo right here where I'm logged in. This is basically the home page where you get the home feed. You got all the tags down here on the side. So your talents, your skills, there's a category for it. Find your skills and talent and start putting yourself within it. If it's science, here you go. You do lots of science. Well, if you get up in the good rankings and you get a good following going on, you could be earning $355 for every post that you may be posting. That's how Steem works. You know, mind you that the way that you're earning it is through the blockchain technology. You know, it's every like is a transaction on the blockchain. So as I click like and I hit this button right here, you see it's loading. Created a transaction on the blockchain and I just paid him 25 cents just about, but it did not come out of my wallet at all. But we'll go into a whole entire another video of exactly how Steemit works. What we're doing today is cashing out from Steemit. Here's my blog post where I've posted all my Crypto Kingz video. Now, as you see right here, this is a video that got downvoted. Now, we're going to go into another video of what being downvoted is. Now, this is the part that I could say I don't like, about Steemit. You know, how they can have some big influencers or what you call whales that actually have enough steam power that can downvote your post if they don't like it, from their opinion, maybe because it says BitConnect, but that's another story that I'm not going to get into. At the end of the day, it's still a website that we can use to generate cryptocurrency. All of these type of things will be ironed out in the very near future, so I'm not worried. The point is that you actually can take your talents and your skills and the time that you spend on Facebook and on other social media sites and come and spend it on here and earn up to $4,000 a month or, a year, just from what you do on social media, where Facebook and Instagram and these other social media websites are not doing this. And how can this be turned into real money? This is where it gets juicy, family. Check this out. Right here, I was able to power down my Steam power, and it paid me out in Steam. So now I have 61 Steam available. Okay, 61 Steam, and Steam right now is priced at, let's hit the refresh. Steam right now is priced at $5.41. So that's, a couple $100. So that's 61 Steam coins at that price. Now I can hit this button right here and say, you know what, I want to sell this. So I hit the sell button. And it brings me to BlockTrade. BlockTrade is pretty much a very easy exchange that you can exchange your cryptocurrencies. They have many different options that you can exchange into. But right now we are exchanging Steam into Bitcoin. That's how you would make this nice and tangible with intangible money. So check this out. I got 61 Steam coins in there right now. So I'm going to type in 61. And that gives me 0.214 Bitcoin. Let's see how much that is. 214. So that is $292 right now at the current price, according to CoinDesk. Let's go ahead and transfer that over as we go back to BlockTrade. What you're going to do here now is type in your your Bitcoin receiving address. So my Bitcoin receiving address is going to come from my Exodus wallet right here. So all you have to do is click receive, click copy, and then you paste that right in there. You want to make sure it copied right. This 062062. Okay. And then here, then you click get deposit. It's initiating the trade. Now you are ready for your trade. What you're going to have to do is follow these instructions. Now, it's a pretty step-by-step instruction. If you are sending funds from an exchange, you must click the manual. No, I'm not sending it. What I'm doing is sending it from my Steemit account. So if you're sending funds from your Steemit account, enter your Steem name below, then click the complete transaction button. All right. So you'll enter your name by obviously just going right here. You can just copy your screen name right there, right in your URL, and then paste it right in there. And they say, let's see, each deposit will incur a fixed fee to pay the Bitcoin transaction. The current fee is 3.286 Steem. So, boom, I hit transfer using Steem Connect. Okay. 61 Steem. Continue. Confirm that you are the Steem account before entering your password. Log in to confirm the operation. This transaction requires the owner's key or master key. Okay, so your master key or your key is actually your password that you use to actually get into your Steemit account. So that said, congratulations, and I guess it's on its way. Let me check my account now. I guess it's on it. Oh, did I just hear cha-ching? I think I just heard cha-ching. A few seconds ago, just got deposited. There you go, $296 deposited from Steem right a few seconds ago. That was very fast. So it's still pending, but it's showing that it's on its way. That was very, very fast. It just said congratulations as soon as I pressed play from it being paused. And then as I'm talking and telling you about the password, it's already hit my account. That was pretty fast. That's $296 from Steemit, from just making posts, family. Now that is how you earn some cryptocurrency. Make sure you go sign up for a Steemit account and follow Crypto Kingz, because I just put you on. Peace.